Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how almonds go from farm to market, step by step.
Our journey begins here, in the sprawling almond orchards, where every tree is carefully nurtured to produce the finest nuts.
Pollination is a vital step, where nature's tiny workers ensure a healthy almond crop.
Pruning helps maintain tree health and maximizes almond yield each season.
Efficient irrigation ensures every tree receives the right amount of water, conserving resources while promoting growth.
Healthy soil is the foundation of a great harvest, enriched with natural nutrients for robust trees.
Integrated pest management protects the orchard while preserving the delicate ecosystem. The orchard's rhythm follows the seasons, each phase crucial for almond development. Before harvest, our team prepares meticulously to ensure efficiency and quality. From tiny fruit to mature almond, each nut develops under careful watch. As the day ends, the orchard rests, ready for the next step in the almond's journey. Each almond is caught gently to preserve its quality before collection.
Harvest season begins with advanced machinery that carefully shakes almonds from the trees, ensuring maximum yield with minimal damage.
Skilled workers collect the harvest, preparing it for the next stage of processing.
Transporting almonds quickly ensures freshness as they move to the initial shell removal stage. The first step in processing is removing the tough outer shell without damaging the kernel inside. Precision engineering ensures shells are cracked cleanly, separating the valuable kernels. Separated kernels are transported carefully to preserve their integrity.
Operators continuously monitor the process to maintain quality and efficiency.
Removing dust and shell fragments is essential for clean, high-quality almonds. With shells removed, the almonds are now ready for drying and moisture control.
After shell removal, almonds enter the drying tunnels, where controlled heat reduces moisture to preserve freshness.
Uniform drying is critical to prevent mold and maintain the nut's natural flavor. Uniform drying is critical to prevent mold and maintain the nut's natural flavor. Advanced automation maintains precise environmental conditions throughout the drying process. Non-invasive sensors measure moisture content to guarantee quality without damaging the nuts. Regular sampling ensures every batch meets strict moisture standards.
Airflow circulation accelerates drying while preserving the almonds' texture.
Once dried, almonds are transported carefully to maintain their quality. Proper storage conditions lock in freshness until almonds move to the next processing phase.
Every almond undergoes a thorough quality inspection to ensure only the best reach our customers.
Manual inspection allows for precise removal of imperfect almonds and contaminants. Advanced optical sorting technology identifies and removes almonds that don't meet strict quality standards. Air jets efficiently separate unwanted almonds without damaging the good ones. Detailed inspection ensures even the smallest defects are caught. Data-driven quality control helps maintain consistent standards across every batch. collaboration ensures continuous improvement in quality assurance. Only almonds that meet our high standards proceed to cleaning and further processing. Optimal lighting conditions help inspectors detect even subtle defects. With rigorous inspection complete, our almonds are ready for cleaning and preparation for the next stage.
After inspection, almonds enter the cleaning zone, where dust and debris are thoroughly removed.
Vibrating screens efficiently separate unwanted particles from the almonds.
High-velocity air jets remove fine dust, ensuring almonds are clean and ready for processing.
Magnetic separators protect product purity by removing any metallic contaminants. Operators ensure cleaning systems run smoothly and efficiently at all times. Every almond is thoroughly cleaned to meet the highest quality standards. Clean almonds are transported carefully to maintain their pristine condition.
Our state-of-the-art cleaning facility ensures almonds are free from impurities before further processing.
Post-cleaning quality checks guarantee almonds meet strict cleanliness standards.
The next crucial step is cracking the tough almond shells without damaging the precious kernels inside.
Precision engineering ensures shells break cleanly, preserving the integrity of the kernels.
Automated systems separate kernels with high accuracy, minimizing waste.
Operators continuously monitor and fine-tune the process to maintain quality and throughput.
Separated kernels are transported carefully to preserve their quality.
Shell fragments are efficiently removed to ensure product purity.
Each kernel's quality is visible in its texture and color, a sign of careful processing.
Our advanced facility combines automation and skilled labor for efficient shell cracking. Quality control ensures only clean, intact kernels proceed to sorting.
With shells cracked and kernels separated, almonds are ready for sorting and grading.
After shell cracking, almonds enter the sorting facility, where advanced machines classify them by size and quality.
Optical sensors analyze each almond, ensuring only the finest make it through. Air jets precisely separate almonds by grade, maintaining product consistency.
Manual checks complement automation to guarantee top quality.
Data-driven sorting ensures consistent quality across every batch. Graded almonds are carefully transported to packaging lines. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality. Our sorting facility combines cutting-edge technology with skilled oversight.
With sorting complete, almonds are ready for blanching, skin removal, and roasting.
Blanching is the first step to remove the almond skins, enhancing texture and flavor.
Careful soaking softens the skins without damaging the kernels.
Even agitation ensures consistent blanching across every almond.
Mechanical skin removal follows blanching, revealing smooth, clean kernels.
Removed skins are collected separately for sustainable disposal or reuse. Roasting develops the rich flavor and crunchy texture almonds are known for. Precise temperature control ensures perfect roasting without burning. Precise temperature control ensures perfect roasting without burning. Experienced operators monitor roasting to maintain consistent quality. Rapid cooling preserves freshness and prevents over-roasting. Our state-of-the-art packaging line fills bags with perfectly roasted almonds at high speed. Precision filling ensures consistent weight and quality in every package. Sealing locks in freshness, protecting almonds from moisture and air. Our labeling system ensures every package is clearly branded and ready for the market. Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards.
Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment.
Our packaging zone combines automation and human expertise for maximum efficiency.
Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition.
With packaging complete, almonds are ready for storage, export, and delivery worldwide. Proper storage in climate-controlled warehouses preserves almond freshness and quality. Continuous monitoring maintains ideal conditions to prevent spoilage.
Our team ensures every pallet is correctly labeled and stored for easy access.
Efficient logistics prepare almonds for timely shipment to markets worldwide.
Branded packaging ensures almonds arrive fresh and recognizable to customers. Our almonds begin their journey to markets around the globe. From orchard to market, every step is carefully managed to deliver premium almonds. Advanced tracking systems ensure transparency and reliability throughout the supply chain.
Finally, our almonds reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
And that's how almonds are grown, processed, and delivered, from start to finish.
From the first blossom to the final package, every almond tells a story of passion, precision, and care.